Hello everyone, my name is Sagar, and in this video we'll see how we can use delivery reminder in transfer order. So let's understand the scenario first. So there are many instances where basically you are not able to complete your transaction. So for example, you ordered uh, let's say you ordered 12 quantities of something. You only get 10, then basically you are not able to receive the next two quantities. So how can you track or how you can enter this information into your system? So we are going to see this. So this is going to be a short video. So I will go to my transfer order, and here I will click, I will create a new transfer order. I will select my warehouse. So my warehouse would be this. I will click on this new warehouse, and I want certain items to move to assume to my this 21 warehouse. I will click on save, and now I will add my product. So I'm going to add my this product. Okay, and I will simply click OK here. I will save it. Okay, and now interesting thing is here. Basically you have entered the quantities as 1. So let me change it to 12 first. Okay, and let's say you are able to get 10 quantities. So I will do shipment of 10. I will click here off, and then I will change my quantities to 10, and I will click OK. Okay, and you see the status is still created because our complete transaction is not yet completed. And now I will receive my shipment quantities. So my shipment quantities, that is 10. I will click OK, and I will receive these quantities. Okay, and you see this is created. So now basically what has happened, two quantities like two quantities are still left. So now if you want to cancel this, you can click on your delivery reminder, and here you see still two quantities are left. So what we can do, we can use this cancel quantity, and now as soon as I click here, now your status is changed to received. Okay, because this transfer order is completed. Now if you want to track the complete information, you can go to transfer order. You can view its complete history here. You see the shipped quantities are 10, and again the received quantities are 10. But whereas if you go to actual lines, here you will see and 12 quantities are available here. Now from here you can get other information as well. For example, transfer quantities was 12, right? So let me go to ship. So here the transfer quantities were 12, but we only shipped 10. That's why we received 10 only. But whereas when you go to receive, here you are getting your shipped quantities. This one. Here you are getting your, let me expand this. Here, this is your transfer quantity. This is your shipped quantities. But whereas when you go to receive quantities, here you are getting your shipped quantities. That is 10, and you received 10 as well. Like for whatever quantities the shipment happened, you are able to receive all of them, but the initial transfer quantities was 12. Okay, and the status will change to receipt because we manually canceled those delivery reminder. So that's why. So in this way you can do your partial shipment, or you can use your cancel delivery reminder in your transfer order. Thanks for watching this video.